Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can play a game on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your game library. If you click right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications. Right now I'm gonna go back, and then here if you go to the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media. Here you're gonna find search. You're gonna also find your settings, and lastly your profile icon. So right now I'm gonna go back right here, and then basically guys, if you are here in the game section, you're gonna find all of your installed games. You can click on any game to start it. For example, I'm gonna click on this one. So once you click X on your controller, you're gonna be able to open a game. So right now, as you can see guys, the game is loading, and right now I am inside of this game. If you want to leave the game, just go ahead and go back to the home section, then click on options on your controller and then click on close game. Right now, if you want to get a new game, in order to download any game that you want, go to PlayStation Store and then just search for the game you want to download right here. You can also use the search bar right here, click on search and then search for any game that you want. And once you finish, just go ahead and click on the game, and then if it's check if it's free or you need to pay for it, and then just click right here and you're gonna be able to get the game. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.